Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel. Learn with ease. Today we will learn the sound of D. Are you ready to learn the sound of D? Then let's go. What is the sound of D? What is the sound of D? The, duck, the, duck, the, drum, the, drum. Do you want to learn some more words of sound D? Then let's go. But you also try to speak with me. The daddy. The daddy. The dolphin. The dolphin. The doll. My sweet doll. The dress. The dress. Today's party. What should I wear? Wonderful. Very good. Now guess what's in picture? What is this? What is this? You must have played. What is this? The dart. The dart. Next. What is this? Someone is on door. Open the door. The door. The door. My dear pet, sweet little pet, dog. The dog. Next, what is this? What is this? The donkey. The donkey. Very good. Give me a high five. Let's learn sound blends of letter D. Sound of D with A. What is the sound of D? The. And what is the sound of A? A. A. Now join these two sounds. The, A. The, A. Dark. Dark. Dark in the night. Dark in the night. The, dance. Dance. Let's go for a party. Let's go for a party. The, dance. Very good. Next. What is this? E. What is the sound of D? The. And what is the sound of E? Eh. 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 Now join these two sounds. The. Eh. The. Eh. Den. Den. House of King. King of forest. Lion. The deck. The deck. Open the bridge. Ship is coming. The deck. Next. What is this? I. What is the sound of D? The. And what is the sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. The, E, D. Dig. Dig. Dig the soil to plant. Dig the soil to plant. What is this? Dip. Dip. Dip in sauce. Dip in sauce. Next, let us see what's this. O. What is the sound of D? Now tell me. Try to speak. The. And what is the sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. The, O, do, dot, dot, dot. The, O, document. Document. Check your document. Check your document. Next, R. What is the sound of R? R. And what is the sound of D? Tell me what is the sound of D? Da. Now join these two sounds. Da, ra. Da, ra. Dream. Sweet dream. Sweet dream. Da, ra. Draw. Draw. I love to draw. I love to draw. U. What is this? U. And what is the sound of D? Da. And what is the sound of U? A. Now join these two sounds. Da, a. Da, da. Dusk, dusk. Sunset time. Dusk. What is this? Dust, dust. Please clean. Dust is everywhere. Congratulations. Congratulations. Today you learned about D. Sound of D. Soon I will be back with my new video on phonic sound of E. Before leaving, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Bye. Have a good day.